Hey, Mr. Weatherman, what's the weather gonna be?
And now, a 30-day hair transplant update. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you could see me doing the announcement. I'm Poteet, I'm Indiana's Weatherman. This is a 30-day hair transplant update. These stories just being handed to me. I've made some notes, about the process because you forget, quite frankly, how some of it has gone along the way because you get back to your real life. I mean, this is not something that's going to lay you up for a month at a time. The transplanted follicles now are resting comfortably. Some of them you may be able to see in the front. They're there. They're already popping through. But the big reveal, it'll still take some time, and that'll be about 90 plus days post-procedure. So that's normal. I've had a little bit of what's called the shock loss on top, where my hair is thinner now, but I can also feel the little tiny hairs coming up. So it's very exciting. It's sort of, wait for it, because you can't hurry along the hair cycle up there, and you don't want it. You want it to look natural. So I laid low for about a week after the procedure, and that's typical for a lot of guys, but I did live television exactly 7 days after I had the grafting done, and with a little bit of cosmetic help, some of the stuff that you can shake on top of your head to kind of blend things in, you would have never have known. I look at a tape of it now, and I can't really tell myself. I've been coming in for the laser treatments that help speed things up, and maybe that's why I'm already getting some growth in the front. So if you're looking into this, you definitely want to consider the option of making it easier for the new hair to take root and letting it prosper with lasers. That's right, lasers is what I'm talking about. It's exciting. The idea of looking younger, yeah, I guess I'm okay with that. Are you buying that? Sure, I'm okay with it. What do you think? I love the idea of it. You can go online to my VIP page. Why, look, there's WeGrowHairIndy.com right now. There are all kinds of videos. The one thing that really impressed me about this place is the fact that they put it all out there. I mean, you can get all of your questions answered. There are frequently asked question areas that I looked at after my procedure just to kind of stack myself up against other guys and what they had noticed afterward. That's all online. It's all on the website. And Lord knows if you want to see the procedure in action, I've seen my video. Speaking of the donor harvest area in the back, I just got my hair cut for the first time in a while from my regular barber. And you can see it's pretty short in the back. And I said, can you tell? You can't. I looked in the mirror today too. There's no trace of that. All gone. Simple. Keep checking. WeGrowHairIndy.com. This has been a Poteet hair transplant update. Now back to the anchor desk.